Yes.
Hello. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Hi,
morning.
Sudiksha. Hi, ma'am. Shakuntala, ma'am. Good morning. Hi, Anaya. Hi, Pavni. Hi,
Good morning,
Vikramaditya.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
How's everyone doing?
I'm fine.
Great. We'll just wait for 2 more minutes and wait for two other participants to join in. And till then, can everyone hear me clearly? If you all can, please just give me a thumbs up.
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
audible? Okay. And videos are all working. Vikramaditya, can we please have your video on? Okay, great. Thanks, Vikram. Mitra. So we are waiting for two more
Good
participants
afternoon,
to
ma'am.
join in. Okay.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi, good morning.
All the best to everyone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, Siddhant. Good morning. So I think we have all participants here. Anaya, Sudiksha, Shrivali, Pavani, Siddhant, and Vikramaditya, right? Everyone's here? Okay, great. Good morning and
Yes,
welcome. So I think everyone has already gone through the rules and regulations that we had sent. Just before Mr. S.V. Raman joins in to start the competition, I'll just like to recapitulate the rules with you. Just give me a minute. All right. So no paper and pen is allowed. If anyone is seen using paper or pen, they are going to be disqualified. So, can I have everyone's hands up? No paper, no pen, nothing. Right? Perfect. Great. Please keep your cameras
Ma'am,
on throughout the
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Sudiksha, Sudiksha, yes. Camera on. Yes. Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Please keep your cameras on throughout the competition. Please keep yourselves on mute unless the teacher asks you the question and it is your turn to answer. When the quizmaster will ask you a question, you have to keep yourselves on unmute throughout until you have answered the question. Okay? Please check the internet connectivity. If any of you log out due to internet issues and do not join back within 2 minutes, then that will lead to disqualification. So please ensure that you have good internet bandwidth. You will not be allowed to eat anything during the competition. You are not allowed to leave the room once the competition starts. So now would be a good time if anybody wants to use the washroom. If anyone wants to, maybe just go out, get fresh, and come back. You have 5 minutes for that. You all can go and do that because once the competition starts, you will not be allowed. Yes, Shrivali, would you like to use the washroom?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm asking that you told that you said that we can't use paper and pen, but if it's near us, so we have to like move, do it somewhere else, or it's fine, but we doesn't have to use
I
it.
cannot understand what you're saying. I could follow you till when you said we are not allowed to use paper and pen. After that,
Okay, ma'am. Now can you hear?
yes.
Okay, ma'am. I'm saying that you said that we are not allowed to use paper and pen, but if it's near us, so
If it is near you, just keep it on the side.
yes, it's on the side. So we are like this is fine now. It's on the side. So,
Yeah, you can keep it on the side. That's okay. You're not allowed to write if the quiz master, when he asks you a question, you can't write. That's what I meant
okay,
when I
ma'am.
said ensure that
Okay,
there is
ma'am.
no paper and pen.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Also, no one else except for the participant shall be sitting in the room. If any person, adult or child, is seen or heard around, then the participant will be disqualified. It is my earnest request to everybody, please tell your parents, anybody else, your siblings to not to be in the room with you. Please ensure that you are alone. There should be nobody in the room. Otherwise, if we hear slightest of the promptings or if we see anybody, you will be disqualified immediately. Right? Let's all play fair. And lastly, whatever decision that the quiz master, the conductor will be taking, it will be the final decision. So, does anyone have any doubts? Do you want to clarify anything? Or is all okay? If everything's okay, you can give me a thumbs up. All okay? Perfect. Siddhant, I cannot see you. We can't see you. Great. If anyone wants to have water, please have water. If you want to eat any biscuits, please have the biscuits now because once the quiz starts, no eating.
Hello,
Yes?
ma'am, is my voice audible?
Yes, your voice is audible.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Shakuntala ma'am, for coming here, taking out your time and, being here present with us for this competition. We're really glad to have you
Okay,
here.
ma'am.
I'm now going to take out chits. We will be drawing lots. This has your sequence number. So this is the order in which the questions, the quiz master, Mr. Raman, is going to ask you the spellings. Okay. So this is just going to be based on the lots. I'll pick up a number. Okay. Avanya, is there somebody in your room? Because I just heard you talking to someone. I mean, I saw you talking to somebody.
No, ma'am, it was my mother. She was telling me, she asked me to check if I was audible, so you just told I was audible.
Yeah, you are. Please tell her to move out of the room. We don't
Yes,
want
ma'am,
any
she's not in the room.
disqualifications. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so I'm going to take out chits, and this is going to be the sequence in which Mr. Raman is going to ask you the questions. We have 6 chits here, and I'm randomly going to take names. So, okay, Avanya, I'm picking up this chit for you from here, over here. This says 5. So just remember your sequence number. I will tell you what to do with it. Okay, so your sequence number is 5. Next is Sudiksha. Sudiksha, your sequence number is 6. Okay? Just remember your sequence number. Shrivali, your sequence number is 1. Okay? I have 3 more. Next is Pavani. Pavani, your sequence number is 4. Okay? And then I have 2, Siddhant and Vikramaditya. So 1, 2, left, right, which one? Okay, so I go for Vikramaditya. Vikramaditya, your serial number is 2. Okay, so I'm left with Siddhant. Your serial number is 3. Okay?
Fine, ma'am.
Perfect. Now you have to rename yourselves. I'm going to rename, I'll just rename Avanya. Avanya, can you please just tell me your sequence number and just 1 second. Yeah, your sequence number and can you please give me initials to your initials to your school, please?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Anand Nahar. My sequence number is 5, and I'm Lamartine for girls.
Right. So then your initials would be LNG. Okay. So can everybody see Avanya's name on the screen? It says the sequence number underscore Avanya underscore LMG.
Yes, ma'am.
Can everyone please change their names like this?
Okay, ma'am.
Is there anyone who needs help? So Diksha, do you need help or will you manage? You'll manage?
No, ma'am, I don't need help.
Okay, just change your name fast with your initials of your school.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, like this only, no? I have
Okay. Who asked me? Yes. Yes. Perfect.
Ma'am, Siddhant is fine.
Yes, you're fine. Vikramaditya, done. Perfect. Yes, Sudiksha. That's great. So, all of you excited? I hope everyone's had a good, heavy breakfast.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Great. We'll just give me a minute. So, is there any doubt, anything that you guys want to ask? You can ask now. No? Nothing?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Hi, Nurun ma'am. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Welcome to chapter 2 of the Spell Bee. We're glad to have
Thank
you
you
here
so
today.
much. Thank you so much. I'm really looking forward to this today.
Me too. Okay, so we'll just wait for another few minutes for the quiz master to join in. So, how many of you are nervous? Anyone who's nervous? Everyone's confident?
Ma'am, I'm both.
Or you are nervous and confident? Great. Yes, Shivili, you are nervous?
Yes, ma'am, a little bit.
Okay. Once Mr. Raman joins in, it's a request that only the participants and Mr. Raman can should keep their videos on. It's a request to everyone else to please keep themselves on mute and their videos can be off. Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir.
Right.
sir.
Welcome to Spellbee Chapter 2, Classes 5 and 6. I would just like to introduce First in Class. At First in Class, our goal is to provide your child with personalized English classes taught by some of India's most loved and experienced English teachers using curriculum developed by some of the best academicians from England and India and the latest technology-enabled techniques to improve learning outcomes and keep track of progress. We have students from across 50 cities and 120 schools in India and have successfully conducted more than 8,000 hours of teaching sessions. You can visit our website www.firstinclass.org for more information on the courses that we have to offer. I would now like to hand over the forum to Mr. S.V. Raman. Mr. S.V. Raman, popularly known as Raju Raman, is the former program director of Goethe Institute, Max Muller Bhavan, Kolkata. Presently, he is the program consultant to Victoria Memorial Hall, Kolkata, teaches public speaking, communication, journalism, film, German at various institutions, and is a freelance journalist, translator, and interpreter. A keen debater since his school days, he now regularly chairs and judges debates and also dons the mantle of quiz master and anchor person for talk shows, panel discussions, and other events on stage and on the small screen. He is actively connected with several social and cultural organizations in various capacities. Thank you very much, sir. We are glad to have you here today.
I'm also delighted to be here for this second phase now with the higher classes, class 5 and 6, as I can see here. Wonderful. All the participants, are you all ready? Yeah, ready to go?
Yes, sir.
Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up like this. Yeah. Okay. And when you appreciate somebody else who has done well, how do you do that? Like this. Okay. Somebody gives a right answer, not like this, but like this. All right. Clear? Good. And always keep smiling. You see, you may get one or two wrong. There's nothing wrong with that. We also get it wrong. Okay. Even at this age. So it's always a question of learning. Yeah. Sometimes if you have known something and still not been able to say it, then maybe you will kick yourself for it later on. But then if you have not known something, then you have learned something, right? Is that clear? Good. And Basic rules. Before I ask a question, I want that particular participant to unmute before I even utter the question. Okay? So that we are sure that nobody is prompting you from the side or there is nobody else present in the room. There's a monitoring team with more than CCTV cameras who are watching, what is happening, and their decision on disqualification will be final. Okay? Right. So rely on yourself, just as our Prime Minister says, Atmanirbharta. Yeah? You should be Atmanirbhar. Rely on yourselves and not on external help. All through my school life, I have learned that even in exams, people wrongly think that the neighbor knows better. But ultimately, it turns out that you know better than the neighbor. Okay? So remember that rule that you should have confidence in yourself. That is much more useful than having confidence in somebody else. All right, is that clear? Rules are clear? Do I need to repeat the rules? No. There'll be 6 rounds, mixture of spellings and jumble words. All right. In the first 2 rounds, there will be no negative marking. Later on, there will be some negative marking, which I'll tell you at the beginning of that particular round. And the lots have been drawn. In the first round, we shall go from 1 to 6. And in the second round, we shall go from 6 to 1, and so on and so forth. Third round, again 1 to 6, etc. Is that clear? Good. So the order that I have in front of me is number 1, Shivali Singh. Shivali, am I getting your pronunciation right?
Actually, sir, it's Shrively. It is silent.
Shrively. Shrively. The A has been added for good luck in between, right? Okay, like Jai Lalita did it. She added an A at the end of a name also. Shrively, okay. And Vikramaditya, you're number 2. So Shrively is from Doon Girls School, right? And Vikramaditya Chavan is from Credo World School, right? Vikramaditya, are you there? Give me a thumbs up. Yeah, right, fine. Siddhant Tanwar, are you there? Dehradun boys. Okay,
Yes,
where are
sir.
you? Siddhant, where can I can't see? There you are. Okay, tucked away in a corner. Right. And Pavani Jain, do you pronounce your name Pavani or
Avni.
Pavni? Pavni Jain, right? Pavni, okay, Doon Girls School.
Yes,
And
sir.
Anaya Nahar, LMG, La Martinia for Girls. Anaya, where are you? There you are with the headphones. Right. And Sudiksha Mukherjee, also from La Martinia for Girls. And there you are, yeah, in the pink of your health at the moment, right? Absolutely fine. Great. So, shall we begin?
Yes, sir.
Are you all ready to go?
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Yes, sir.
In the first round, we shall have 7 to 9 letter spellings, which will be asked, and you get plus 10 for a correct answer. No negative marking in this round. You get 20 seconds to answer your question, and each word will be pronounced twice. In the case of some difficult words, I might give you a clue also because there might be similar sounding words and you may get confused. So, in some cases, I may give you a clue where you might be misled by the pronunciation. Okay? Right. So, with that being clarified, let us go. Any questions? Does anybody have any questions? Anything to be clarified? No?
No, sir.
Okay. Lovely. So, let us go. We have the first word for Shrively. Shrively, unmute yourself, please. You have to unmute yourself even
Yes,
before
sir.
I ask you the question. Okay? Yeah. Okay. I don't mind if you call me ma'am. It's all right. You see, nowadays, gender doesn't matter at all. Whether it's ma'am or sir is absolutely the same. Right. So, your word, Shivli, now you cannot mute yourself in between. Yeah. Don't do that. Yeah. Your word, listen carefully, is carcass. Carcass as
Can you
a
repeat?
dead animal's body. Yeah.
Sir, can you repeat the word?
Carcass as in the dead body of an animal.
Sir, your voice is not properly coming.
Carcass. Can you hear me?
Cactus.
Yeah.
Cactus.
And I gave you a clue, as in a dead body of an animal.
Yes, sir.
Time.
Your time is up. Would you like to take a guess? You won't get any points now. Your time is up.
Okay, sir.
But would you still
Can
like
I-
to guess?
Yes, sir. It's, I think it's K-A. No.
No. No, it's not that. Car as in car. You know, C-A-R. Carcass.
Carcass.
Yeah. Yeah. I told you the dead body of an animal.
I
Carcass.
thought you were speaking Carcass.
No, 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 no. Okay, doesn't matter. You still have a lot of rounds to go. Okay. Shivli, bad luck with that. Vikramaditya, are you ready? Please unmute yourself. Have
Yes,
you
sir.
unmuted yourself? Yeah. Vikramaditya, listen carefully. Your word is mystique. Mystique and not mystic. Mystique.
Can you repeat?
Mystique. And not mystic, I said.
MISTEAK.
Yeah. Yes, your time is up. That's not correct. You can see the correct spelling on the screen now. It is MYSTIQUE. If it had been MYSTIC, it would have been pronounced mystic. That's why I said not mystic, but mystique. Okay? It's a QUE at the end. Did you know the word, Vikramaditya?
No, sir.
No. So you learn it now. Yeah, something which is mysterious, mystique. Yeah, good. We go to the next word, and this third word is for Siddhant. Siddhant, can you unmute yourself, please?
Yes, sir, I'm unmuted.
Siddhant, your word is rapport. Rapport, and the origin of the word is French.
WRAPPOR.
I said rapport.
WRAPPOR.
WRAPPOR. No, that's not correct. Let's have it on the screen, please. RAPPORT. Rapport. Did you know the word, Siddhant? Do you know
No,
what
sir.
it means? Do you know what it means, Siddhant?
No, sir.
No. Does anybody else know among the participants? If anybody else knows, just tell me what rapport means. You see, rapport means establishing a connect with somebody. You establish a rapport with your class. You establish a rapport with your audience. Okay? You establish a connect. All right? The teacher has rapport with the class. The speaker has rapport with his listeners, and so on. Okay? So you have all learned a new word. So we have the next word for Pavni. Are you unmuted?
Yes, sir.
Pavni, your word is, listen carefully, seizure. Seizure, as in income tax people coming and making seizures, police coming and making seizures.
SIESURE.
Okay, that's, I'm afraid, the incorrect. You gave it a good try, but it is not the correct answer. Let's have the correct answer on the screen. It is not SIE, but SEI, like in seize and seizure. So SEIZURE. Okay. So if the income tax people come and take away all your things, seize your files, seize some of your money and so on, and seal them off, then that is a seizure. Okay. They make a seizure list that we have seized all these things. Okay. Right. Next one is for Anaya, Lamartine for girls. Are you unmuted?
Yes, sir.
So Anaya, your word is impasse.
So could you repeat the word?
Impasse.
IMPASSE.
Okay, repeat that once again.
IMPASSE.
Absolutely correct. You get full marks for that. Let's have it on the screen, please. And do you know what that means?
No, sir. I
Anaya,
don't know.
you just
No,
guess
sir.
the meaning.
Yes.
Guess the spelling. Okay. Impasse is something when you're at a bottleneck. You know, you don't have a way out. You know, there is a situation, an impasse. That means you don't know how to get out of it. You know, there's a kind of a bottleneck, right? Good. The next word is for Sudiksha, also from LMG. Sudiksha, you're unmuted?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
Sudiksha.
sir.
Okay, fine. Doesn't matter. Ma'am is fine. Right. Your word is, listen to it carefully. Plumage. Plumage. As in bird's feathers. Plumage.
PLUMMAGE.
Okay. I'm afraid I cannot give it to you because there was one M too many in that. I didn't say plumage. I said plumage. Okay. So only one M. All right. So the extra M got you wrong. Right. At the end of round one, how do we stand? Has anybody opened their account? Anaya has opened her account with 10. Okay, the others are yet to open their account, but then a long way to go, certainly. So the next round is jumbled words. And here we are going to start with Sudiksha. Okay? Sudiksha, can you unmute yourself? And here is your first clue on the screen. And the clue is also given. A kitchen tool with a broad, flat part that is not sharp, used for mixing and spreading things, especially in cooking, sometimes in painting, gardening.
ATLAUSP.
Yeah, that is a jumble word, so you have to give me the correct spelling. You have to give me the proper word. Something that is used in cooking, gardening, sometimes painting.
Time.
Time is up. Would you like to guess? No? Does anybody else know? Nobody knows. Oh my God. Let's have it on the screen, please. A spatula. Have you never come across a spatula? Yeah, that knife-like thing, long from which you use it for gardening, you use it for cooking, and so many things, right? Painters also use it to spread their paint on the canvas. Okay, so new word you have learned. Now, whose turn is it next? It is Anaya, is it?
Yes, sir.
Are you unmuted?
Yes.
Anaya, this is your jumble word. The clue says unusual and strange.
Sir, is it peculiar?
You're asking me or are you telling me?
Telling. It's P.
Peculiar. Spell it out for me, please.
Yes, sir. PECULL. No, sir. PECULLIAR.
Bang on. Full marks for you for that. Absolutely correct. Peculiar. Very good. You got it. Look at the smile on her face. Yeah. Great. Yeah. Great. 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 Wonderful. Well done. Now, the next jumble word is for Pavni. Pavni, are
Yes,
you
sir.
unmuted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is your jumble word. And the clue is to wrap a baby tightly in cloth.
Sir, is it swaddle?
Are you asking me or telling me?
Telling.
And then can you give me the spelling?
SWADDLE.
Absolutely correct. Bang on. Full marks. Full marks to you for that, Pavni. Very good. Very well done. Okay, when you wrap a baby in a piece of cloth, that's called swaddle. Good. The next clue is going to be for Siddhant, right? Siddhant, are you unmuted?
Yes, sir.
This is your jumble word, and the clue is pleasing or picturesque in natural simplicity. One generally uses it as an adjective before surroundings, landscape.
Sir, is it uh, LIDYLC?
No, I'm afraid that is not correct. And your time is also up, Siddhant.
LIDLY.
No, it doesn't start with L at all. It starts with I.
LIDLY.
It starts with I. It is idyllic. Yeah, that means very picturesque. Okay, IDYLLIC. Did you know the word, Siddhant?
No, sir.
No. Then you have learnt it today. All right. Good. Next clue is for Vikramaditya. Are you unmuted, Vikramaditya?
Yes, sir.
Your jumble word comes up on the screen now. And the clue is the quality or state of being impressive. It's a noun.
Time.
Your time is up, Vikramaditya. Let's see what the word is. It's grandeur. Grandeur. French origin. You see, in French, they would say grandeur. In English, you would say grandeur, like a J at the end, grandeur. So, did you know the word,
Okay, sir.
Vikramaditya?
No, sir. No, sir.
It comes from grand. You know the word grand? Something
Yes,
is
sir.
grand, yeah. So it's a kind of noun from grandeur. You see, the grandeur of the monument, you know, it kind of floors you. Okay, right. Good. The next clue is for Shrivli. Are you unmuted, Shrivli?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Now comes up your jumble word. And what it means is a sufficient quantity to fill a type of large, round, deep spoon that is used to serve soup.
Time.
No guesses, Shivli? Shivli, have you ever heard of a ladle?
No,
Like a
sir.
spoon, a ladle?
No,
No,
sir.
you haven't heard of a ladle for serving soup and all? So it's called a ladle. And it's a ladle full. That was your word. Okay. So if you haven't heard of it before, you have heard of it now. Okay. Right. At the end of this round, where do we stand? At the end of round two, we have Shrivli, Vikramaditya and Siddhant still to open their accounts. Pavni is on 10 and Anaya is on 20. Okay. And now we go to round 3, where we have 9 to 10 letter spellings. You get plus 20 for a correct answer, but this round has negative marking. You get minus 10 for an incorrect answer. You get 20 seconds to answer. Each word will be pronounced twice. This means, please listen carefully, if you do not attempt at all, you get 0. But if you attempt and get it wrong, then there will be minus 10. Okay? If you do not attempt at all, then you don't get minus 10, but you'll get 0. But if you attempt and still get it wrong, then there will be negative marking. Is that clear? Okay. So now, whose turn is it first? Shrivli. Are you unmuted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Listen carefully. This is a fairly easy one. Your word is classical.
Classical.
Okay. Classical. You got it right, and you get full points for that. Let's have the word on the screen. Right. Classical. Okay. That was a classical answer. Good. Very good. We go to the next one, and the next clue is for Vikramaditya. Are you unmuted, Vikramaditya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your word, listen to it carefully, is ascension. Ascension as in climbing up, going up, ascension.
ESS
Hmm?
INTION.
No, I'm afraid that's not correct. You see, if you're in doubt in such rounds where there are negative marking, it's better not to give an answer, because then you won't get negative mark. Yes, Shrivli, you want to try? You won't get any points for it, but let's see whether you get it right.
I think ascension you told na? Ascension.
Yeah. Yes.
ASSENTION.
No, I'm afraid you also got it slightly wrong. Yes,
Sir, could I
Anaya.
try?
Yes,
Sir, could
Anaya,
I-
try.
So it's ASCENSION.
Yes, you're absolutely right, as we will see on the screen now. But unfortunately, you don't get any points for that. You know, this is
I
also
know.
knowledge gathering. As I said, climbing up. You know, it's from ascend. You know the words ascend, descend. Yeah, numbers in ascending order, descending order, and so on. So this is a noun from ascend. So ascension. Okay. Good. The next clue comes for Siddhant, is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Siddhant, listen carefully. I will give you a clue also. Your word is Caucasian. Caucasian as in Caucasian mountains, Caucasian chalk circle.
COCK COCQUATION.
No, Siddhant, I'm afraid you're not correct. Does anybody else want to try for no marks?
Sir, can you repeat the question?
Huh? Caucasian, I said. No, none of you knows that word. Okay, let's have it on the screen. In geography classes, haven't you done Caucasian mountains and so on?
No, sir.
No, you haven't yet. Then you will be. And also in North America, sometimes it is used to refer to white-skinned people. They say Caucasians. Okay? Right. The next clue is for Pavni, right? Pavni, unmuted?
Yes, sir.
Okay, your clue, and I hope you don't make an error here. If you make an error, you get negative marks, okay? If you're not sure, don't give an answer. Then you don't get negative marks. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Pavni, your word is erroneous. Erroneous. Your time is up. So you neither get negative marks nor do you get any points for this. I was actually giving you a clue beforehand. I told you don't make an error, then you will lose marks. It's coming from error, erroneous. Okay?
Yes,
Did you know the word, Pavni?
no, sir.
No. Okay. Then you learn it. The next clue goes to Anaya.
Yes, sir.
Anaya,
Yes, sir.
are you unmuted? Yes. Do you use makeup and all sometimes at home?
No, sir. Not at all.
Things for your body and all?
Not
No,
at
you
all.
don't do at all. Okay, right. But your word is toiletries. Toiletries.
ToiletRease.
What was the first letter you said?
T.
T. Okay. The time is up. I'm afraid that you are going to have negative marks there because your ending was not right. You see the spelling here, toiletries. Yeah, Tries. Okay, is that clear, Anaya? Right. Good. We now move on to the next candidate, Sudiksha.
Yes,
Unmuted?
sir.
Yeah. Listen carefully. Uh, your word is abhorrence. Abhorrence, as in disliking something, hating something. Abhorrence.
ABHORRENCE.
Absolutely correct. Sudiksha, did you know the word or did you
No,
guess
ma'am.
it?
No, sir.
No, you just guessed it
Yes.
from the pronunciation. Well done. It is ABHORRENCE. Abhorrence. Okay, good. Very well. You listened carefully and according to the pronunciation, you just spelt it. Yes, absolutely. Well done. Very well done. Good. We have come to the end of this round. And how do we stand? Okay. Shivli with 20. Vikramaditya has gone down to -10. Siddhant to -10. Pavni at 10. Anaya at 10. And Sudiksha at 20. So Shivli and Sudiksha are both at 20, closely followed by Pavni and Anaya at 10. Okay. And the others still have chance to make up, of course. Good. Whose turn is it now? Who was the last one to answer? Who answered the last one?
It was Sudiksha. I think you started.
Yes. She has put up her hand. So, Sudiksha, you have to unmute yourself because the next one is going to start with you. Next round is going to start with you. Okay, good. So your jumble word comes up on the screen now, Sudiksha. The clue is also given: the collection and study of postage stamps. So time is up, Sudiksha. Good that you didn't try a wrong answer. You won't get negative marks. Just one moment in this, you get 20 for a right answer and minus 10 for an incorrect answer, okay? So you get 0 and philately is the right word. Did you know that, Sudiksha?
No.
No, because you kids nowadays don't collect postage stamps at all. We used to do that as children. We had album fulls of stamps from various countries because those were the days letters were posted with stamps on them, right? So stamp collecting was a great hobby with a lot of people. Right. Next question is for Anaya. Anaya, are you unmuted?
Yes, sir.
Good. Your jumble word comes up on the screen now. Clue is a representation or image of something on a small or reduced scale. No, Anaya, you did not get that. Does anybody else want to try?
Sir, I know.
Yes, tell me,
Sir,
Vikramaditya.
I know the word but not the spelling.
Yeah, you tell me the word.
The miniature.
Huh?
Miniature.
Miniature. Yeah, you're absolutely right. Let's have it on the screen. Miniature, something which is a mini version of the big version, okay? A reduced version, a miniature. And in India, the Mughal miniature paintings are very, very famous. During the Mughal period, a lot of miniature paintings were done by artists, and those are very, very famous, okay? So, Anaya, did you not know miniature?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So you have learnt it. Right. Pavni, are you unmuted?
Yes, sir.
Your jumble word comes up on the screen now. The clue is a feeling of respect, admiration for someone or something. Like for the principal in school. No, your time is up. So you don't get any negative marks, but you get, yes, you can try.
Sir, it's reverence. REVERENCE.
Absolutely correct. But no marks for that, unfortunately, Siddhant. Reverence is absolutely correct. Did you know the word, Pavni?
No, sir.
No? Then you have learnt another word. You have reverence for elders, you have reverence for people who are in important posts and so on, right? Like the principal in the school. Okay, good. Now the next jumble word is for Siddhant, right?
Yes, sir.
Siddhant, are you unmuted? Yes. Here is a jumble word. The meaning is full of energy, excitement, and cheerfulness.
Sir, it's ENEXPURATE.
And what is the word?
Sir, inexperate.
No, I'm afraid that's not correct. Anybody else wants to guess that? Yes, Pawnee? You want to say
The
something?
word is exuberate.
It's not exuberate, it is
Exuberant.
exuberant. Yeah? Exuberant. If somebody is full of energy, yeah, very enthusiastic, you say somebody is exuberant. Okay? Right. Good. So nobody gets any points in that. Oh, but you gave a negative, wrong answer, so that should be a negative mark for you. Okay, Siddhant, you gave a wrong answer, didn't you? So scorers, have you made a note of that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next jumble word is for Vikramaditya, is it?
Yes, sir.
Are you unmuted, Vikramaditya?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Here comes your jumble word. And the clue is awful, hated, really bad or unpleasant or gross. The time is up. So no negative marks and no points also. Would anybody else like to take a guess? No? Yeah, it is a difficult word. Abominable. Okay? Abominable. Right. Next clue for Shrivli. Shrivli, are you unmuted?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here comes your jumble word. The clue is in a
Sir.
careful and detailed. Yeah?
I'm sorry, we just heard somebody.
Yeah.
Sir, it's in our, our.
Oh, it's in your comrade. Yeah, this was not prompting.
Oh,
This was
okay.
some other noise. Okay.
Okay.
In a careful and detailed way. In a careful and detailed way is your clue.
In a careful and detailed way.
Yeah. When you do a work, you do it that way. Time is up. No negative marks and no points too. Anybody wants to guess? Nobody wants to guess? Do you people know the word diligent? This is diligently. Yeah, you do a job diligently. You do an assignment diligently. Okay? Haven't any one of you heard the word diligent?
I have.
You have, yeah. When we were in school, for homework and all, if we do well, we used to get little tokens, and it was written token of diligence. And then in exams, we used to get token of merit. So those were token of diligence. Okay? So they don't give it nowadays in any case. Okay. So at the end of this round, how do we stand? Can we have a look at the scores, please? Good. We have Shrivli at 20, Vikramaditya minus 10, Siddhant minus 20, Pawnee at 10, Anaya at 10, and Sudiksha at 20. So we have Shrivli and Sudiksha both at 20, followed by Pawnee and Anaya at 10 each. Okay, we move on to round 5. And in round 5, 10 to 12 letter spellings will be asked. You get plus 30 for a correct answer. So if you know it, you score 30 straight away. And unfortunately, this round also has negative marking. If you give an incorrect answer, then minus 15. And you get 20 seconds to answer. Each word will be pronounced twice. Okay? Is that clear? So whose turn is it now?
Sir, I want to
Sure.
ask you something.
Shrivli, were you the last one in the last round?
Yes, sir.
So I think
Good.
Siddhant has a question. I think he
Yes,
has.
Siddhant, go ahead.
Siddhant, please go ahead.
You have a question?
Sir, that I have minus 20.
Huh?
So if plus 30, so it will be only plus 10 or plus 30?
If you get a correct answer, you will get plus 30 for that answer. If you make a wrong answer, from whatever you have, minus 15. Okay? And if you don't answer at all, then you get 0. So you remain. Huh? Is that clear, Siddhant?
Sir, I am asking that I have minus 20. So, sir, if I correcting this, so I'll get plus 30, so it will be plus 10.
That's
Yes,
right.
yes.
That's right. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. If you give a correct answer, you'll get 30. So from minus 20, you will become plus 10. Okay? Is that clear? Yeah.
Yes.
Good. Are you ready, Shivli?
Yes, sir.
So are you unmuted?
Yes, sir.
So these are spellings and listen carefully.
Yes, sir.
Your word is littérateur. It's a French origin word, littérateur, from literature. It's from literature, littérateur.
Literature.
Yeah, a person who has a lot of knowledge of literature, littérateur.
Sir, can you repeat the word?
Littérateur.
Literature.
Okay, no wrong answer tried, so no negative marks and no points either. So let's have the. Would anybody else like to try?
Sir,
Yes,
can I
guess.
guess?
Yeah, yes, sure.
Sir, L-I
Mm. L-I-T-T.
So,
Okay, Anaya, you want to complete it?
I would like to try it. I just want
Try,
to guess.
try.
Sir, could you repeat the word once?
Littérateur.
Says it Literateur.
You are almost there, but you are one T too short. Just have a look at it.
Oh.
Littérateur, yeah? Because it's a French origin, the last EUR is pronounced littérateur, okay? Right. Good. Something you have learnt again. So the next word is for Vikramaditya, right?
Yes, sir.
Vikramaditya, are you unmuted?
Yes.
Okay. Listen carefully. Obnoxiously. Obnoxiously.
OBNOXIOUSLY.
I-O? After I-O?
USLY.
Absolutely correct. Bang on. You get 30 marks. Obnoxiously. You're absolutely right. And would you know what that means?
No, sir.
If you say something
I don't know.
very arrogantly, yeah, and in a very demeaning manner, then you say the person is obnoxious. Yeah, very arrogant. All right? Okay. But you got the spelling all right, obnoxiously. All right. Very good. That was not easy. Very well done, Vikramaditya. The next word is for Siddhant, right?
Yes, sir.
Siddhant, are you unmuted? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Siddhant, listen carefully. Your word is resilience. I am repeating, resilience.
RESILIENCE. Resilience.
I didn't hear the last part of it. Repeat it, please.
Resilience. RESILIENCE.
C. Absolutely correct. 30 points. And just as you had wished, you have come to plus 10. Absolutely correct. Resilience. Do you know what that means, Siddhant?
No, sir.
It is a capacity to bounce back from difficult situations. For people who are in difficult situations, they say he has resilience. That means he has a capacity to bounce back from difficult situations. Okay? Like in times of COVID and all. Yeah, somebody who has undergone a lot of difficulties, but is actually facing all that and coming back, bouncing back to normal life. That is resilience. Okay? Good. Very good. Very well done, Siddhant. I think that deserves an applause from all the other participants also. Yeah? Good. Very well done. Next one is for Pavni, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Pavni, your word is aberration. Aberration. As in something that is not done the usual way. It is a departure, but mostly in the negative sense. Aberration.
ABERATION.
Is that your final answer?
No, I don't want to answer.
So time.
No, but you have already answered. Unfortunately, you have already answered. And Pavani, unfortunately, you were 1 hour short. Okay? Aberration. Okay? There is another R. Did anybody else know this word? No, nobody knew this word. Nobody knew this word. Okay, then you are learning it. Fine. Now comes the next word for Anaya, right?
Yes, sir.
Anaya, listen carefully. Numismatics. Repeating. Numismatics. Something to do with coins, etc.
Right.
Numismatics.
NUMISMATICS.
Absolutely correct. 30 marks to you. Very well done. Let's have the right spelling on the screen, please.
So it was a guess.
It was a guess, but a very good guess. Yeah, because you followed the phonetics perfectly, right? Good. Very well done. Numismatics. Yeah, it has to
Thank
do
you,
with the
sir.
study of coins, medals, and so on and so forth. Right. Next one is for Sudiksha. Ready, Sudiksha?
Yes, sir.
And your word is something which you are going to approach now. Yeah. At this age, you're going to approach adolescence. From childhood to adolescence.
ADOLESCENCE.
I'm afraid that is wrong, and you have negative marking for that because you mixed up the S and the C.
So could I give a try?
It should have been the other way around. Yes, you can give it. It's already on the screen.
So I know it. So
ADOLE.
it's the age when you start having your breast. It's the 13 to 12 year age for
Correct.
girls.
You see,
and
between a child and then you become a youth, that is the period of adolescence, right? Okay. Good. Very good. Fine. So where do we stand at the end of that round? We have Shrivli on 20, Vikramaditya on 20, Siddhant on 10, Pavni on -5, Anaya 40, and Sudiksha on 5. Yeah, that's because of the negative marking. The 15 went there, right? Okay, good. So it is Anaya in the lead with 40, followed by 20 over there. So we are coming to the last round, and who is taking the last round here first? Who answered the last question? Sudiksha, was it you? Sudiksha, was it you?
Yes, sir.
So you will get the first one for this. And this round, as you know, or as you can see on the screen, will have 10 to 12 letter jumbled words. You get 30 for a correct answer. And this round also has negative marking. If you give a wrong answer, you get minus 15. If you do not give any answer, then you get 0. And you get 20 seconds to give the right answer. Okay? Good. Is that clear, Sudiksha?
Yes.
Now your first clue for the jumbled word comes up here. And there is a further clue. It means noisy, energetic, and rough. Like a crowd after a football match.
For whom it is?
Huh?
For whom it is?
It is for Sudiksha. Okay, your time is up. You didn't venture to give a wrong answer. Does anybody want to try? You see, I told you after a football match where your team has won, the crowd is all noisy, energetic, and pretty rough, celebrating.
So, if I say incorrect, I will get minus.
No, no, no. This is not your question. So if you say incorrect, you want.
SOOBERTISU.
No, no, no. That's not correct. The right answer is boisterous. Yeah, a crowd can sometimes be boisterous. Like you people are in the classroom between periods. Yeah. When one teacher has gone away and another teacher hasn't come in yet, the whole classroom is very boisterous, very noisy, very energetic, yeah, very rough, throwing things around and so on. Unfortunately, you can't do that now during the pandemic time when you have online classes only. You can't be boisterous like that. Yeah, that's a negative side of all this online classes. Good. We move to the next person, that is Anaya. This is your jumble word, Anaya, and the clue is fear and hatred of strangers or foreigners. Your time is up. So no answer given, 0, and no negative marking.
Sir, may I,
Yes,
may I guess?
you can
May
try.
I guess?
You can guess. Yes, surely.
X E. I mean xenophobia. X E.
You're absolutely right. It is xenophobia. Yeah. Now spell it. XE.
Yeah, PHOBIA.
Yeah, xenophobia. Let's have it on the screen, please.
I
Correct.
don't know of the word.
You didn't know of the word. You have learned it now. Now, do you know the word phobia?
No, sir.
Phobia means a fear of something. Yeah. So xenophobia is a fear of strangers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And claustrophobia means in a room where there are too many things, then you have claustrophobia. You have a fear of having too many things around you. Okay. So phobia can mean the fear of something, which is added before. All right. Good. The next one goes to Pawnee, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you unmuted? Yes. This is your
Yes,
jumble
sir.
word. And it means a person who loves or collects books. Time is up. No negative marks and no points either. Would anybody like to try? Bibliophile. Have you come across the word? No?
No, sir.
No. Biblio always refers to books. That's why in many countries, a library is also called a bibliothèque. Yeah, a place of books. So bibliophile is a person who loves books or collects books. Okay, right.
So a
Siddhant-
person who really likes books can also be called a bookworm sometimes.
Yes, that's a very simple word. You see, a bookworm is a person who loves to read books. Okay, somebody who is always reading books. And you call that person a bookworm, right? Certainly. Correct. Siddhant, is it your turn now?
Yes, sir.
Siddhant, are you unmuted?
Yes, sir.
This is your jumble word coming up on the screen. You see, you take a break from work during which employees can pursue their interests like traveling, writing, research, etc. They often say, people who are in the States, they say, I'm taking a, and whatever this word is.
Sir, is it STABICAA?
STA,
PLICAA.
and what is the word?
Sir, Stabilica.
No, I'm afraid you got that wrong, so you get negative marking for that. Unfortunately, the word is sabbatical. Haven't you heard this word, sabbatical? Yeah, people sometimes who are working at universities and all say, I'm taking a sabbatical. That means taking off from the teaching assignments to do some other research work or write a book or whatever, right? You take a sabbatical. Okay, so new word again. Now the next one is for Vikramaditya. Vikramaditya, unmuted.
Yes, sir.
Good. This is your jumble word coming up. And the word means the breeding, rearing, and transplantation of fish by artificial means. Yeah, breeding fish basically. Growing or breeding fish. No answer, no negative marks, no points either. So Vikramaditya, does it sound very fishy? Yeah? Does the word sound very fishy?
Yes, sir.
Does anyone want to guess? Anybody else? Do you know zodiac signs?
Yes, sir.
So what comes closest to this zodiac sign?
I've heard of them. They are like the people in August have a zodiac sign. The people in September have a zodiac sign.
No, everybody has a zodiac sign. So Pisces is a zodiac sign representing the fish. So pisciculture is the word, the noun that is used for breeding fish. Okay, pisciculture. Okay, none of you knew that word. You've learnt it. Shivli, ready for your turn?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if you're unmuted, your jumble word is coming up on the screen. Having or showing an extreme greed for wealth or material gain. It's an adjective. This is a difficult word.
It's a very,
Yeah, are you saying something? Shivli?
clear, very clear,
I can't hear you.
very clear.
Okay, then spell it for me.
AVARICIOUS.
Fantastic. Very well done. Very well done. Great, great. Yes, it is avaricious. Absolutely correct. Did you know the word or did you just guess?
It was actually guess, that's why I was not able to pronounce it.
Ah, okay. Okay. But you guessed well. Okay, good. That is the correct answer. So you get 30 points for that. Okay, Shivali? Good. With that, we come to the end of this wonderful and fascinating spell bee for your group. Let's
Yes,
have a
sir.
look at the scores while the scores are being tabulated. Yeah, you're wanting to show a video or something?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ah, good. Go ahead.
Koel, could you please just share a short video? I think there's no audio, Koel.
Yes, ma'am, audio is not coming. Excuse me, ma'am, we can't hear any audio.
Yeah, we're just looking into it. Just give me a minute. We'll just check.
Yeah. So the presentation doesn't get any points for that.
Koel, if you
Because
could
there was
just
no
check
audio.
the audio and just play it once again. Thank you so much. I would also like to take this opportunity to introduce Kavita Poddar. Kavita Poddar is the founder of First in Class. She was a founding member of Meghnad Desai Academy of Economics based in Mumbai. She has worked in banking and finance in companies in India, US, and the UK. She has a bachelor's degree in accounting and an MBA in marketing. She's a mother of 2 kids and currently lives in the UK. She's passionate about education and believes that intellectual curiosity is more important than intellect. Hi, Kavita. Welcome. We cannot hear you. No.
Kavita, you have to unmute yourself. Otherwise, we'll think that somebody is prompting you.
Yeah, now we can.
Okay, sorry, something was wrong with my audio for a second. Hi, kids, how are you?
Good, ma'am.
Everybody's
Fine, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you to Miss Banerjee for attending this event also. And Mr. Raman for your, as usual, for your fantastic, for conducting this event so well. Thanks a lot. So did you guys learn anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Lots,
Yes?
lots.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
I learned a lot from all of you. I was amazed at how calm you all were. I was feeling under pressure. You know, when there was this 20 seconds to answer, and oh my God, you guys were so calm, cool, and collected. So, very, very well done. You conducted yourself very well. You followed all the rules. So you were very, very fine representatives of your school. And you should really pat yourself on the back for that. So well done to all of you. Very well done to all of you. Well done. Okay. And, you know, as in any competition, there is always one person who wins, you know, but it's very important to learn how to compete. As I say, that is very good to always be curious. It's always good to learn. Like Mr. Raman actually taught me a couple of words to pronounce today. I did not know how to pronounce them correctly. So I learned a few things today for sure. We learned a lot of new words. I think the most important word today was resilience. Does everybody understand resilience? Mr. Raman explained it. It's the ability to bounce back. In life, we face a lot of failures, right? It's the ability to bounce back. It's the ability to get up when we fall, right? And a person who can do that can just about do anything. So everybody here is resilient? Yes? Yes? Very good. Well done. So, okay, now we are going to share the final scores with you. Okay, you guys have all done exceedingly well to reach this far. So you should be very proud. So let's see the scores. So we have Pavani and Siddhant tied at 6th spot with -5. It's always unfortunate when you have negative marking, you know, but it's okay if you tried. It's fine, you know, so well done. Okay. In 4th place, we have Sudiksha Mukherjee from La Martiniere Girls at 5 points. Sudiksha, I think the final round you got negative points, but never mind. Well played. In 3rd place, we have Vikramaditya Chavan with 20 points. Well done. 2nd prize, we have Anaya Nair from La Martiniere Girls with 40 points. That really got decided in the final round, right? The first prize goes to Shivali Singh with that amazing answer in the last round with 50 points. So well done to Shivali and Anaya and all of you. Well done. So clap. Give yourself a big round of applause. And for your prizes now, so we have prizes for the first 2 rank holders. So second prize goes to, as we said, to Anaya Nair, and you get an Amazon voucher worth ₹1,000. I hope you buy a couple of good books for yourself, Anaya. I think you like reading. Your vocabulary is pretty good. So yeah, you're a bookworm. Are you a bookworm?
Yes, ma'am. I've read all the Harry Potter novels at least 5 times.
Oh my God, I love that series.
And
I think I finished it in 1 week.
What is the word you learned today for somebody who loves books?
Bibliophile.
Bibliophile. Yeah, bibliophile. Yeah.
Yeah. So so buy a few books with that and expand your vocabulary more. The first prize is a Lenovo tablet and it goes to Shivali Singh. Well done. Well done. I think we have the, I don't know if the coordinators want to share some of their thoughts. Ms. Banerjee, would you like to say something to the kids? Please go ahead if you would like to.
I'm so excited. This is my first time I have attended such program, and I have learned many words.
Which school are you from, ma'am?
Sir, I'm from La Martiniere for Girls.
Okay.
So I also have learned so many words today. And kids are really great. They were so calm. I liked that. Thank you.
Thank you so much for attending, and thank you for being with us, and thank you for having girls represent from your school. It was some of the words were difficult. So very well done. Very well done. So thanks.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Kavita. Thank you so much, Mr. Raman, for taking out your valuable time and conducting this competition for us.
My pleasure.
We will be looking forward to everyone's participation in Chapter 3 now. Thank you to all the viewers on Facebook who've been watching us live. Thank you very much and bye-bye. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, and bye, ma'am.